This Sunday we've got a 5k race. We've not run fast in a while. So this morning we're going to have a bit of a tune-up session. Come along with me. We're going to hit some 2-minute efforts at 5k target pace. Let's get it. That's a workout done. We even got KOM on Strava. Now, we go check out what kit we're taking for the race. Come with me. Sunday then, 5k race. We've not run fast in a long time. Not raced in a long time anyway, about 5-6 months. I'm gonna break down now what I take with me and how I prepare for the event. Everyone has their own personal opinion on what they do. I do exactly the same thing pretty much every single race now. It works really good for me. Yeah. Obviously, this race is actually only 1 hour away from where we live, so we're not going to stay overnight. We're going to drive there first thing in the morning. It's a 9 AM start in the race, so we do have to leave pretty early. So have some good breakfast before we leave. Just some porridge and oats, pretty simple for me for breakfast. However, I've talked about this in the past, and I do this pretty much before all of my training. Doesn't matter what it is, every training I do this. I like to use carbs in my drink. Basically, they include electrolytes, and obviously, it's an easy way to get carbs in without having to eat anything and giving you gut problems. And at the moment, I'm using this bulk powder stuff. This carb drink, it has a good mix, maltodextrin, dextrose and fructose. It's also got electrolytes and BCAAs in it. I'll drink that in about 1 litre of water on the way to the race, that hour drive. Apart from that, I won't eat anything else on the way, apart from I will have a gel, only one, about 15 minutes before the race, accompanied probably by double espresso. I'm not a big fan of buying crazy expensive gels. A lot of people are buying Sturka and Morton stuff, and I just don't see the point personally. Maybe the taste is better, but I prefer cost over a good cost over a good taste. These have still got 23 grams of carbs in them, and all gels have pretty much got the same amount in them per serving, and they're fantastic. They're lightweight. So yeah, one of those 15 minutes beforehand with a double espresso to wash it down with. But then what we're mostly here for is the kit that I take with me. Now, if I could, I'd go shirtless in races. I just like the freedom. However, you've got to look respectful for everyone else. So I will wear the lightest possible tank top. I wear for this for literally every single race. It's Nike tank top, dry fit one. It's yeah, I recommend these. I've got a couple of them and they're fantastic. I don't know how anyone wears t-shirts in races. I can't do that. It's too restrictive, man. And then another thing is, I wish I could find a pair of compression shorts made by Nike so I could match all of my gear. However, I just can't. So I've been using a few pairs of these Under Armour compression shorts the last few years. They've got a pocket in them, carry a phone in. I won't wear any other shorts. I would just wear these compression shorts. They're not that see-through, luckily. Yeah, they're great fit. Make you feel super fast, and for me, it's lightweight. Carrying as little on you as possible is key. I'll match that up with compression socks, Nike compression socks. Again, try and match everything. Nike, I'm a huge fan of them. I've used Nike for years. Compression socks are more just like a safety net for me. I like to make sure my ankles are nice and safe, nice and secure. Save my calves. I don't want to pull a calf or sprain my ankle. I do have a bit of a problem with spraining my ankle. So I tore a ligament in my ankle when I was young. And then the thing that everyone raves about the most is obviously super shoes. I do own a pair of super shoes, Nike Vaporfly 2s. Obviously, the brighter the colour they are, the faster you go. Everyone knows that. I've got a lot of PRs in these. I swear by them. I will likely buy another pair of these maybe next year. These got about 250k in them, so they still got a little bit of mileage left in them, but not too much. I'll probably retire them at the end of this year. Yeah, definitely recommend super shoes for racing. Not for your long runs. I see people run super shoes in their long runs. I definitely don't recommend it. It's not good for your feet. It's also not great for training. Yeah. If you want to catch up with me on the next video next week, that'll be when we finish the race. I'm hoping to get a PR. It would be nice, but I don't expect it. My current PR in the 5k is 19:36, I think it is. Yeah, we'll see how we go on with that. But until then, yeah, hope you enjoyed this one.